Hello everyone, my name is Stephen Okechi. I represent Winners Trading Global. Today, we'll be talking about time frames. Now, when you are trading Forex, there's something they call time frames. Time frames represents different time which different kind of traders use in trading Forex. For example, we have M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, and the last one by your right hand side, which is MN, is under time frame. Now let me explain to you. You see all these candlesticks? Some are small, some are big. It doesn't matter how big they are. Each of them is formed in 1 minute. Each of them is formed in how long? In 1 minute. Each of them is found in 1 minute. That means this big one that is red is formed in 1 minute. That means these small ones, each of them are formed in 1 minute. Why are some big? Why are some small? Some are big due to news. Some are small because there was little or no movement in the market due to few number of people in the Forex market. Now, let's move ahead. The next time frame is 5 minutes. It means that each of the candlesticks are formed in 5 minutes. 15 minutes means that each of them is formed in 15 minutes. M30 means that each of them is formed in 30 minutes. H1 is formed in 1 hour. Each of the candlesticks, they are formed in 1 hour. H4 means that each of them is formed in 4 hours. Then if you talk about your D1 means that each of your candlesticks is formed in 1 day. W1 means that each of the candlestick is formed in 1 week. Then your MN simply tells you that each of your candlestick is formed in 1 month. We have different types of traders. You can check the videos on type of traders that we have, so you can know the kind of time frames they use. But I'll still tell you briefly in this that your 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, they are known as the lower time frames, whereas your M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, they are known as the higher time frames. Higher time frames is used to know direction of the market, whereas your lower time frames is used to enter into the market. Higher time frames are used to know direction of the market. By squeezing this, you'll be able to know where the market is going to, while your lower time frame is used to enter into the market. Depending on the kind of trader you are, you will know the kind of time frames that each type of trader uses. And once you know the kind of trader you are, or the type you like to be, you work accordingly with the time frame that such trader uses to trade. Remember, you can go to our YouTube channels, search for different kind of traders, and learn more. The more you learn, the more you get better and better. And the more you get better in Forex, the more you earn more money in US dollars. If you like our videos, click on the like button. Ensure you hit the subscribe button so that you can always get all our new videos that we upload. Remember, keep learning. Learning leads you to greatness. So the more you learn, the more you get better and better at what you do. I super celebrate you all. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in more videos.